Quantum wave, the energy and sound of life. Where does it come from, and what is this energy that causes us to get out of bed every day? What is this impulse that gives life to our bodies? From the beginning of time, these questions have been asked. The Stoics called it momentum, Spinoza, effort, Nietzsche called it willpower, Freud, libido, Bergson, vitally important. A simulated concept, let's go ahead. It is not always at full power. It fluctuates. It has its ups and downs. Why? Because we are alive, interacting with the environment. We affect and are affected. Wave studies say that there are encounters that makes us happy and we have an increase in our power to live. And there are encounters that sadden us and we have a decrease in the power to live. And we are not indifferent. We immediately identify these fluctuations. What is common to all is the relentless pursuit of increased power. Quantum Wave directs its customers through its vast technological range using quantum energy and leading them to the best possible energy balance. The two technologies most commercialized by the company are quantum energy and quantum sound resonance. The other products, such as QER and QR, will be available through the affiliate program channel in January and March 2021. Quantum therapy is a complementary form for the conventional treatment of all types of energy deficiency, which can cause organic dysfunction. It acts in the vibrational field of the body cells, that is, the energy field. Therefore, it balances both the physical and emotional fields of the person. This technology is based on the studies of quantum physics applied to medicine. The use of quantum energy focuses on giving the body an energy balance again. The human body has the natural ability to regenerate when it lacks energy balance. With quantum waves, your body will again have the potential for an energy balance. The energy rebalancing of the body is something individual. The speed depends on the correct configuration of the application and its usability. So an energetically balanced body is more likely to adjust to normal operating patterns. The use of sound waves in the treatment of diseases is recognized by the World Health Organization and aims to enable patients to improve the performance of physical, emotional, mental, social, and cognitive needs. After having access to the application website, the customer will have access to the field to record his voice and configure the desired supplements. In approximately 24 hours, resonance will be available for each individual client. The success in the use of quantum energy and quantum sound resonance that can generate effects in the short, medium, or long term are conditioned to the correct configuration of your application and the clarity in your intended result. When using quantum energy and quantum sound resonance, what do you want to release from your body? What do you want to change or create for yourself? This clarity of intention is essential to create communication with the 0 point, thus generating changes that will last. When you start your sessions using quantum energy and quantum sound resonance, some benefits are expected in a short time, and they are: reduced stress, relieved anxiety and negative thoughts, reduced physical pain, skeletal alignment, relieved from emotional trauma, faster recovery time due to injury or illness, increased energy and enthusiasm, deep relaxation, great sleep, liberation of mind, spirit, and body, improved vision, relaxation of muscle spasms, stabilization of mood, reduction or elimination of depression, peace and well-being, a sense of joy, self-confidence, clarity in your purpose of life. Quantum Wave allows you to use your technology wherever you are on the planet. Welcome to your best quality of life.